With the arrival of spring comes a return of green lawns and blooming flowers. Lawn maintenance picks back up, and one of the most important steps of maintaining a healthy lawn is watering it appropriately. Oftentimes, most of us know we should water the lawn, but we aren't sure how much. As zoysia lawns begin to green up again, they will need about 1 inch of water per week, including rainfall to stay lush and green. A single deep watering per week is ideal, and should be all the water your lawn needs for the week. Be careful not to overwater your lawn, as too much water can promote disease outbreaks. Consider conducting a simple irrigation audit to measure how much water each zone of your lawn is receiving. Refer to the link in the video's description on YouTube to learn more about irrigation audits. For more information on best irrigation practices, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Empire, Innovation, and Zoysia. If you have a different kind of zoysia, refer to our generic zoysia maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for zoysia lawns.